Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Stock in the Focus, Caledonia Mining on Commodity TV. With Caledonia Mining, investors get profitable gold mining company in production with attractive investment opportunities in Zimbabwe. The main focus is currently on sustainably increasing the already established and profitable gold production at the Blanket mine through targeted exploration and expansion in the Gwanda greenstone belt. Caledonia has been able to steadily expand the resource base at the flagship project since 2012, and the new central shaft, which only came on stream last year, gives the company near-term low-risk growth to improve this year's production to 80,000 ounces gold. Here, the company has measured and indicated resources of 902,000 ounces gold and inferred resources of 866,000 ounces gold. In addition to the flagship Blanket project, Caledonia was able to acquire an additional portfolio of high-quality exploration and development assets in the gold sector of Zimbabwe. In July this year, an agreement was signed to acquire Bilboes Gold Limited, the holding company for a large high-grade open-pittable gold resource. Once the transaction is completed, the gold producer intends to undertake a feasibility study to determine the most expedient way to commercialize the project. Caledonia also intends to restart oxide operations at Bilboes prior to the closing of the transaction under a tributary agreement to create a cash flow generation operation within approximately 6 months of commencement of operations. The project hosts proven and probable mineral reserves of 1.96 million ounces gold, measured and indicated mineral resources of 2.5 million, and inferred mineral resources of 577,000 ounces gold. The proposed acquisition of Bilboes also builds on the acquisition of the Mali Green claims in November 2021. Caledonia has already evaluated the existing geological information, improving geological confidence in about half of the mineral resources from inferred to measured and indicated. The latest technical report, dated November 2022, indicates measured and indicated mineral resources of 442,000 and inferred mineral resources of 420,000 ounces gold. Last but not least, the acquisition of Motapa was announced in early November. This is a large exploration property adjacent to the Bilboes Gold project. The project has a mining lease covering about 2,200 hectares and was mined during the second half of the 20th century. Caledonia estimates that up to 300,000 ounces gold were produced in the area during this time. Operationally and financially, Caledonia Mining is doing very well. With a production of just over 21,000 ounces, Caledonia has set a new quarterly production record. This means that the quarterly production target of 20,000 ounces has been exceeded in the last 2 quarters, so that the company is well on the way to achieving the upper end of the annual production target of 73,000 to 80,000 ounces gold. Net cash flow from operating activities in Q3 was $8.9 million, so they can continue to grow from their own cash flow. This is because there is also currently more than $6 million in cash in the account. In order to become more independent from the uncertain electricity grid and to save considerable additional costs at the same time, the company's own solar park is now in operation. It will supply about 27% of Blanket's total daily electricity needs and contribute to improving the quality and security of Blanket's electricity supply. Of course, this will also have a positive impact on Caledonia's carbon footprint and greenhouse gas emissions. In addition, the company is looking into a second phase of the project to supply Blanket. Caledonia Mining keeps growing, and from its own free cash flow. This is particularly fun as a shareholder, especially when you pay such great dividends as this company does. The company has big plans with new projects, so that the production target of 250,000 ounces gold, or maybe even more, hopefully can be reached soon. We expect within the next 4 to 5 years. The dynamically growing gold producer is already profitable and, as said, even pays a quarterly dividend. Please note the disclaimer displayed now. The share discussed is part of the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificate, and I'm a happy shareholder of the company. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.